In this video, we'll show you how to perform item analysis. Item analysis enables you to analyze the performance of your class and your test questions. There are 3 forms available. Be sure to select the proper one for the test forms that you are using. You can find this information in the forms list in the online interactive user's guide for the Scantron score. Let's begin by looking at the data that you get when you perform an item analysis. As you can see from this scored item analysis form, you get the number of forms scored, the class average, and the number of students that got each question wrong, or the percentage of students getting the question wrong if you marked the percent bubble on your key. In addition, if you scored a multiple version test, the test scoring machine prints the version of the test here. In this case, you can see that it is for test version A. There are 3 indicators of how to feed the item analysis form. Here, you can see it says Pass 1. Here, you can see the question numbers 1 through 25. And here, you can see that it says questions 1 through 25. You can use any of those 3 indicators to ensure that you are feeding the form in the correct order. Next, we'll show you how to feed the form. First, we'll feed the key in 6 tests. Now we're ready to perform item analysis. Simply feed the first side of the item analysis form, followed by the second side, and so on until you have data for every question. Because our test had 100 questions, it takes 4 passes. It's as simple as that. By the way, I should mention that running an item analysis does not end your test session. You can score more tests if you want to after running an item analysis. Just be sure to do a final item analysis at the end. Looking at the data, we can see that the test performance looks good, except for question 10 here. You can see that most students got it wrong. It may be that the question was ambiguous, or that the wrong answer was marked on the key. It's times like these when item analysis really pays off. When you're running an item analysis for a 200 question test, you should know that you'll need more than one item analysis form. Just keep feeding sides until you have data for all 200 questions. Be sure to mark which one is page 1 and which one is page 2 when you're done. Similarly, when you're running a multiple version item analysis, you'll need to keep feeding sides until you have data for all questions of every version. As you can see here, this 2 version 100 question test required 2 item analysis forms. Running an item analysis. It's a chance for you to review the performance of your class and of the test itself. We'll see you next time.